A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start fourth lecture of chapter linear inequalities. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed some questions related to linear inequalities and their graph. So now in today's lecture I will start with some smart questions related to linear inequalities. So let us start with the questions. Now question is, solve for x and it is given mod of x plus 3 plus x whole upon x plus 2 is greater than 1. So this is our questions and we have to solve values of x for which this given inequality is satisfied. So first of all I have to write down the inequalities and there will be two cases possible when x plus 3 will be greater or equal to 0 and x plus 3 will less than 0 for mod. So there are two cases. See the solution. Suppose case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. Now see in case 1. In case 1, we can consider x plus 3 is greater or equal to 0. Let. Or when x plus 3 is greater or equal to 0, we can consider. Or case 1, in case 1, we also write here x plus 3 is greater or equal to 0 and x plus 3 is less than 0. So in case, what will be the result? So when you will consider x plus 3 is greater than 0, in case the expression will be x plus 3 plus x whole upon x plus 2 greater than minus 1. And now we have to simplify. So after calculation, what you will get the result? You will get means 2x plus 3 whole upon x plus 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. Now expression 2x plus 3 minus x minus 2 whole upon x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now when you will simplify, you will get the result 2 or x plus 1. X plus 1 with x plus 2 or x plus 1 upon x plus 2. So this expression we can write x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is greater or equal to 0 or greater than 0 we can consider. Now for this condition we have to take x plus 1 greater than 0 or x plus 2 also greater or equal to 0, greater than 0. Now what will be the solution set? What will be the solution set? How we can find the solution set? See, and you know this is x is greater or equal to 3, so x is greater than minus 3. X is greater than, this is the expression x plus 3 is greater or equal to 0. All these three expression inequalities, and now when you will solve, you can get the result means x plus x is greater than minus 1, x is greater than minus 2 and x is greater than minus 3. In case, what will be the common part? See, so it's a solution set. We can write it's a solution set minus 2 or minus 3 to minus 2 in closed interval, means x belongs to minus 3, 2, minus 2 in closed interval, we can say. See, minus 3, 2, minus 2. Union minus 1 to infinity. So minus 3 to minus 2. This is minus 3 or minus 2. This will be in open interval. So minus 3 to minus 2 in open interval, union minus 1 to infinity. So this is our reason. So now in this case, x plus 3 will be negative and plus x whole upon x plus 2 minus 1 greater than 0. Now LCM will be minus x minus 3 plus x minus 2 whole upon x plus 2 greater than 0. Now what will be the calculation? Calculation will be, when you will take second case, so minus time x minus 5, or you can take x minus x will cancel out, so x minus 5 or x minus 5 is here. So this calculation will be plus x minus x is cancel out, so minus x minus 5 whole upon, and this one we can write x plus 5 whole upon x plus 2 is greater than 0. Now x plus 5, x plus 2 is greater than 0. So when you will take change negative sign, so this implies we can write x plus 5 upon x plus 2 is less than 0. And for x plus 5 upon x plus 2 is less than 0, in case what will be the inequalities? X plus 2 you have to rationalize x plus 2 from x plus 2, then x plus 5 and x plus 2 product will be less than 0, and answer will be, or its range will be, x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2. So x will be here, means x plus 5 and x plus 2 upon x plus 2 whole square less than 0. So this implies we can write x is greater than minus 5 and x is less than minus 2. So this is the range, x is greater than minus 5 and less than minus 2. And from this expression we can write x plus 3 is less than 0. This implies x is less than minus 3. So x is less than minus 3 or less than minus 2 on number line. How you will get the solution? See, on number line this is minus 5. Suppose this is minus 5, this is minus 3, and this is minus 2. So value of x lies between minus 2 to 5, minus 2 to 5, and x is less than minus 3. So in case of less than minus 3, this is minus 3. So in case of less than minus 3, which point will be here? X is less than minus 2 and x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 2 and x is... Now see, there are two solution set we have get. Now their intersection from inequality is 1 and inequality is 2. What you will get the result combinedly? Combinedly we can get, when you will draw a number line, you will get minus 5 to minus 2 and union from 1 to infinity. This is 1 to infinity in semi-closed intervals, and now this will be in open intervals. Now inequalities we can write, now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can get x belongs to minus 3 or minus 5 to minus 2. This is minus 5 to minus 2 in open interval, union from 1 to infinity. So this is our solution set from 1 to minus 1 to infinity. Now this is our solution set, minus 5 to minus 2 and the minus 1 to infinity. So from inequalities 1 and inequalities 2, this is the answer combinedly. When you will see on number line, you can get its result. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is, question number 2 is, solve x upon or mod of x plus 1 by 4 is greater than 7 by 4. We have to solve. Now see, this is the question, mod of x plus 1 by 4 is greater than 7 by 4. Now this one, how we can write? This one, how we can write? So see, suppose this is the given expression. X plus 1 by 4 in mod is greater than 7 by 4. Now also you know the formula, mod of x minus a. Since you know the formula of mod of x minus a, we can write, what we can write? Mod of x minus a formula. Suppose you have any questions or any formula, mod of x minus a is less than b. In case, what will be the result of x? What we can write? Or for greater than also. See, or suppose this is for question, this is inequalities for greater. So mod of x minus a is greater equal to b. So what will be the formula? The formula, you know, this implies we can write x is greater equal to a plus b, and now our second part, x is less than a minus b. See, x is less than or equal to a minus b. For all a comma b or a minus b, or for all we can say b is greater than 0, where b is always greater than 0. b is greater than 0. So this is the formula, and now we can write x minus 1 by 4 mod is greater than 7 by 4. So by using formula, what we can write? X is equal to minus, or x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So x is greater equal to or greater than minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4, and this result will be, you can write x is greater than 6 by 4. Result is 2 by 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. X is greater than 3 by 2. See. Now, second case, you can take x is less than a minus b. So a is here. So minus 1 by 4 minus 7 by 4, and this result will be or x is less than minus 8 by 4, result is minus 2. So x is less than minus 2. So now what will be the solution? On number line, you will see x is greater than 3 by 2 and x is less than minus 2. So solution set on number line, suppose on number line this is minus 2 and this is 3 by 2, and now greater than 3 by 2 and less than minus 2. Less than minus 2 is a point here, and greater than 3 by 2, this is the point. So solution set what we can write? Minus infinity to minus 2. Solution set is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 by 2 to infinity. C. There are separate intervals. You can see. Now this question is completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is mod of 4 minus x. Solve mod of 4 minus x plus 1 is less than 3. So solution, since given mod of 4 minus x plus 1 is less than 3, in case mod of 4 minus x mod can be written as 3 minus 1, and now mod of 4 minus x is less than 2. Now there are two possible values of mod of 4 minus x. So how we can write this? So 4 minus x, we can write 4 minus x. This is positive and this is negative also. So minus time 4 minus x will be less than 2. This implies we can write minus 4 plus x is less than 2. This implies x is less than 6. X is less than 6. Now when we will take positive sign, so this one I have taken negative sign. So now I will take positive sign. So at positive sign, result will be 4 minus x is less than 2. This implies minus x is less than minus 2. This implies x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 is the second inequalities. So consider inequality is 1 and inequality is 2. So from inequalities 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, combinedly we can write x is greater than 2 and less than 6. So x is greater than 2 and less than 6. What will be the number solution? Solution on number line. So this is number line, this is 2 and this is 6. So greater than 2 and less than 6. This is the reason. Means x belongs to 2 to 6 in open intervals. X belongs to 2 to 6 in open intervals. See, now this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. And now question number 4 is question number 4 is 6x upon solve 6x upon 4x minus 1 is less than 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2. So now we can simplify easily. So given 6x upon 4x minus 1 is less than 1 by 2 means 6x upon 4x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 is less than 0. Now we have to simplify. Now result will be 12x minus 4x minus 1 whole upon 2 times 4x minus 1 is less than 0. Now calculation. What will be the calculation? Calculation will be 8x plus 1 whole upon 2 times 4x minus 1 is less than 0. Now we have to rationalize by suppose 4x minus 1. So 8x plus 1 into 4x minus 1 whole upon 2 times 4x minus 1, and this one we can write whole square less than 0. So denominator part is square in terms. So this will be always greater than 0. So you can write since 2 times 4x minus 1 whole square is greater than 0, therefore 8x plus 1 or 4x minus 1 is less than 0. Now you will see in this expression or in this inequality x is greater than minus 1 by 8 and less than 1 by 4. Greater than minus 1 by 8 and less than 1 by 4. When you will draw a number line, you can get its results. So the product of two term is always negative. So this will be positive, this will be negative. If you will take this is positive, negative, then this will be positive. So positive, negative and negative, positive calculation is here, and after calculation you will see a number line, this is 0 and this is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 is suppose this is 1. So 1 by 4 will be here and this will be minus 1 suppose. So minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8 will be here. So minus 1 by 8. And now intervals is from minus 1 by 8 to 4. Minus 1 by 8 to 4. See. So we can write x belongs to minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now you can see. Now in this question, what we have to do? In this question, we have to find the values of x for which this inequality should be satisfied. And you have to equating to 0. So you have to come 0 in right. So 1 by 2 will come in left. After calculation, this result will be 12x minus 4x minus 1 in bracket and 2 times 4x minus 1 in denominator, and calculation will be here. So after rationalize by 4x minus 1 term, why we are rationalizing? Because denominator term will be in square, and you know square result is always gives positive. So this will be positive and this result is negative, so this will be negative, and for negative, you know, x minus a, x minus b, and the result x belongs to, or x is greater than minus 1 by 8 and less than 1 by 4. Now when you will draw a number line, on number line you will see minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4 value will lies between. So x will belongs to minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 8 to 1 by 4. Now this topic is completed.